bakit ba daw tayong mga Muslim is ubusan ng lahi, laging nagpapatayan. Lagi nating sinasabi na tayo yung mga nagtutulungan pero at the same time, tayo lang din yung nagpapatayan.
Kasi karamihan din sa atin actually, even us who grew up in Mindanao, in Marawi, minsan hindi talaga natin naiintindihan ang Ridu. Sometimes, we've learned already that Ridu is gera.
Everybody will agree with me when I say that conflict is universal.
Yes.
Isn't it?
That's true.
So it
Totoo.
is not the monopoly of the Bangsamoro. It is not the monopoly of the Maranao.
There's a reason why. Bakit sa atin yan? Sa atin parang as a Moro or as a Muslim in the Philippines, bakit sa atin yan na center? Welcome back to Kwentong Lahat na Lang. Ako si Ana.
Hello mga kakwentuhan, ako si Dato Kim at ito ang
Kwentong Lahat na Lang.
Ayan. Alam nyo guys, talagang excited na excited kami ni Ana ngayong araw na ito dahil this is the second time that we will be having the second guest, and I'm very thankful na sa second season natin ngayon sa Kwentong Lahat na Langan on our third episode makakasama natin siya. But without further ado, I would like to introduce Ana ang ating guest ngayong araw. Makakasama po natin ngayon comes to the Global Council after having previously served as a regional coordinator and a senior interfaith advisor for the Philippines. She is a co-founding member of the United Kingdom Philippines Partners for Peace, a group organized by the Filipino scholars from Mindanao to the UK with the support of British Council Philippines to assist in the peace-building efforts in Mindanao. In the Philippines bureaucracy, Dr. Potri is also a consultant at the Office of the Secretary of the then Secretary of the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos on Peace and other special concerns. As an educator, she has been in many teacher trainings to personally train and help teachers include peace-building approaches to their curricula and school activities. In addition, she has been functioning as a speaker and a lecturer on topics intended to deepen interfaith and intercultural understanding across societies. She is currently working as the CEO of Halal certifying body Alliance for Halal Integrity in the Philippines. She has a doctoral degree in educational management in Mindanao State University, and the reason why she's the best guest for this episode, she also earned her masteral degree in cultural anthropology. Ladies and gentlemen, walang iba kundi si Dr. Potri Dirampatan Diampuan. Auntie! Hi, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Haba.
So, Ana, di ba, ngayon, tag dito, excited na excited yung, kasi this is one of the most requested topic. Kaya, tawag dito, ano nga ba, Ana, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong hapon?
Pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about Ridu, as what we call, sa English?
Family feud?
Yeah.
Conflict?
Feud, Yes. Isa yan sa mga curious yung ating mga kakwentuhan kung bakit ba daw tayong mga Muslim is ubusan ng lahi, laging nagpapatayan. Lagi nating sinasabi na tayo yung mga nagtutulungan pero at the same time, tayo lang din yung nagpapatayan. So, let's shed on light.
True. At naging na siyang household name.
Yes.
Yung Ridu.
Oo.
Na sometimes it becomes an scapegoat sa karamihan na bakit niya ginawa yan? Ridu.
Ganon.
Bakit sila nagkagulo? Ridu.
Yes.
Ano yung barilan doon? Ridu.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin, ano nga ba talaga ang Ridu?
Yes.
Kasi karamihan din sa atin actually, even us who grew up in Mindanao, in Marawi, minsan hindi talaga natin naiintindihan ang Ridu. Sometimes, we've learned already that Ridu is gera. Ridu is gulo.
Patayan lang ang
Pero,
alam.
Ano nga ba yung mas deeper
Yes. What are the causes?
True.
Oo, mga kaya nandito, meron tayong special guest
Yes.
para mapag-usapan.
Expert.
For it.
Oo. Pag sinabi bang expert, either napag-aralan o
Paring
maraming
Ridu.
Ridu. So, malalaman natin yan. Bakit ka naging expert sa Ridu? Alam mo yung Ridu o marami kang Ridu?
We're just making it light, guys.
Yes,
Ha?
oo, kasi
this
feeling
is
ko
something-
mamaya bibigat eh.
Oo, mamaya
Oo.
bibigat eh. It's about, lives that are lost.
Totoo.
Yes.
So ladies and gentlemen, ayan po. Antipods. Kasi kanina bigyan niyo ko ng nickname. Ayaw niya kasi tinatawag siyang Dr. Potre.
Yes.
Oh, so
Kaya-
Antipods.
Baka hindi na siya bumalik. Ano ba?
Mamaya na babato na sakit ang microphone.
Sige,
Oo.
sige po.
So, Auntie, to start with our conversation, ano nga ba talaga ang redo?
Right. Before I would like to give or define the word redo, let me say something. No, meron tayong moral psychology, particular to the Maranao. It's a proverb. It says, "Silence in the face of dishonor." I want you to remember this, no, because the discussion later on will get back to this one, and you will realize how important. Silence in the face of dishonor is shame. But through redo also, the triumph lies not in the absence of vengeance, but it is in the prevailing peace after a redo is resolved. So, in that sense, I would like to tell you that redo is not at all that bad.
Yeah.
No? It is a concept that is paradoxical. And I want this to be understood because if we think of redo as killing or massacres or mass killings, then it puts us perfectly into the limelight when people of other nations call the Muslims terrorists. And we are not. By the name alone of our faith, we are peace-loving people.
Yes.
We are in a faith that loves forgiving. We are in a faith that teaches forgiving is better than vengeance. And so that is the paradox about redo. So what really is redo? In very simple terms, the term redo means conflict. Upscaling that one, that definition, redo is actually or has become or develops into a family feud or collectively into a clan feud that is recurring. But it doesn't mean that a redo is going to stay there forever, because a redo is there because it has to be resolved. And I think that one we will tackle in the next questions. Thank you.
Wait lang, nag-stick sa mind ko yung sinabi niya na redo is not all that bad.
Yeah.
No? So, kasi, tawag dito, para siyang, so parang ang understanding ko ngayon, ang redo is nabigyan na lang siya ng, alam mo yun, ng
Bad
judgment.
image. Yeah.
Bad image.
Stereotype.
But in reality, sabi nga ni Doc Potre,
Yes.
na redo means conflict.
Yes.
But you have to understand the deeper meaning of redo.
yes.
There's another thing that we should all agree. I mean, I think everybody will agree with me when I say that conflict is universal,
Yes.
isn't it?
That's true.
So it
Totoo.
is not the monopoly of the Bangsamoro. It is not the monopoly of the Maranao. It exists, or redo, or conflict, or disputes. They exist where humankind exists.
Well, I think that's one thing about being a Maranao, no? Na, tama yung sinabi ni Doc na hindi monopolize ng Maranao
Oo,
culture
hindi lang tayo.
ang redo.
Yes.
Kasi nga, redo means conflict. And
Mhm.
everywhere you go, kahit saan ka naman ata pumunta, may conflict.
Mhm.
I think
Even within your nuclear families.
that's
There is
true.
conflict.
And ngayon, why do we have this national crisis that we're experiencing
Yes,
right now?
exactly.
It's because of the conflict that the US and Israel started with Iranian people.
Mhm.
So, kumaga parang tayo, nagkaroon lang tayo ng proper terminology on how we address.
Okay, so bakit
Conflict.
nga ba kasi yan naging sa atin?
Oo.
Norm. I'm not saying na it's norm. So, there's a reason why. Bakit sa atin yan? Sa atin parang as a Moro or as a Muslim, in the Philippines, bakit sa atin yan na center? Knowing that nga, sinabi natin na it's about conflict and universal, ano sa tingin niyo yung nag-trigger why sa atin yan parang binansag or parang nabigay sa atin?
Doc, wait lang. Before you answer, gusto ko rin siguro idagdag na doon sa sinabi nga ni Ana na why
Mm-mm.
is kasi parang naging structured
Yes.
yung Rido na unlike other cultures and other areas, yung conflict nila, kumbaga parang wala siyang framework. But Rido has, it
Meron.
has, may
Meron.
framework
May
siya.
framework
How
kami.
you start it,
Yes.
how it goes, and how you end it.
And merong pang exceptions sa mga
Totoo.
framework na yun. May
yung
framework
gusto nating
talaga.
malaman
Yes.
kay
Oo.
Doc Cotre. Pero in reality, Doc, paano nga ba nagsimula yung Rido sa atin?
Okay.
Mm.
I'll share with you another very important item or
Mm.
concept
Mm-mm.
that minus this concept, you will never understand Rido.
Mhm.
All right? And what is it? Right. For example, well, I wouldn't, much as I speak for the Bangsamoro,
Mhm.
because I am a Maranao
Mhm.
myself, I would like to talk from the experience of the Maranao as I am. No?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
All right. The Maranao's cherished values are at least
Mm.
5
Yes.
in our society. And I think you see this as since you were born and until today, it is still customary to us. Number 1, kapamagawida.
Mm.
It is or co-carrying or sharing the burden. Whatever that burden is.
I like her.
I know. Parang nakinikilig
nung,
ako.
Nung tayo na, when we were defining kapamaguwidan na, it's so hard. Parang, you make it so easy. Go, Doc.
Wala lang, kinikilig kami, sorry.
Alright. Kapamagawida, again, I'll repeat,
Mm-mm.
it is co-carrying
Mm-mm.
or mutually sharing the burden.
Mm.
For example, when somebody is brought to the hospital and it requires, obviously, sometimes a huge amount of money to pay off for the hospitalization.
Mm.
I may be poor, but I have relatives. They will
So
come
right.
to my rescue, and this is co-carrying that burden. So it becomes easy for me. You see? It's not dependence. It's different from being totally dependent.
Yes, yes.
Unfortunately, somebody is just poor, or simply at that moment, he
No.
or she couldn't
Yes.
afford, But because of, again, the other item that I would like to mention, which is very important in Ridu, is genealogic.
Mm.
We are a genealogic people. Bago ko sabihin po yung una, inuna ko na lang muna yung pagiging genealogic nating pamilya or mga tao. Mahalaga sa akin, sino ang mga kapatid ng tatay ko, ng nanay ko, sino ang mga pinsang buo ko, my second cousins, my third cousins, even my fourth cousins.
Mm.
This is what makes us genealogic. And it is not also our monopoly.
Genealogic, parang, to Maranao term? What is the Maranao term?
Katutungan
Salsila?
na ya.
Salsila.
Oo.
Mm.
Correct.
Oh, grabe tayo yung katutungan na irakta,
Alright.
no?
Kapamagawid, no?
Yes.
Tapos na yan. The other one is, number 2 is kasisilae.
Mm.
Mutually honoring one another. If Anna is my relative, I'm not speaking ill of her.
That's
For her
right.
successes, I will always identify myself with her. And that's speaking honorably about her.
Inshallah.
You see? You don't put down your relative.
Mm.
That is not expected of you. If you do, you will lose the trust of others. Because if she can put down her own blood, why
That's
not me?
right. That's
Diba?
right.
All right.
Uy, nakinikilabutan talaga ako. Grabe.
Kinikilig
Doc.
ako.
Oo,
Okay.
Doc.
Next
More
to that,
on
which is
this.
corollary to kasisilae, is kapamagunguwa.
Kapamag-
Honoring each other.
Kapamagunguwa.
Kapamagunguwa. All right?
Mm.
Kapamagugupa.
Mm.
Again, helping one another. And then kasisilae.
Mm.
Take a look. It's all about honoring, respecting the other
Mhm.
member of that family and clan.
Mm.
All right? And carrying common burdens.
Yes.
Dok, balikan ko lang saglit kapamaguwid is mutually carrying a burden.
Yes.
Mm.
Kasi sila is mutually honoring,
Honoring
one
one
another.
Mm-mm.
Kapamagunguwa is
Valuing one
Valuing.
another.
Guys, ganito talaga. Tinitake note namin yan ni Hakim kasi ito yung mga gustong-gusto naming mga usapan. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto naming sinishare, mga ganitong mga words. So, sabay-sabay tayong natututo ngayon.
And then-
Nagtitake note talaga kami.
totoo. And then another one is kapamagugupa, which is helping one another.
Yes.
And then what's the last one, auntie?
Kasi sila
Genealogy.
Hindi, kasi number 1 is kapamaguwida. Kasi sila kapamagunguwa, kapamagugupa.
Hindi ba doon kasama yung genealogy?
Hindi, doon din
Sa co-carrying, okay. Ano pa yung panglima? Kasi inaano natin siya, dinidistract natin siya eh.
But it's also just corollary to those four. Anyway, we will recall that one.
Yes.
Oh, pero
okay.
at saka yun nga,
Alright.
kumaga auntie, parang ito yung background niya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ng
Okay.
rido, ha?
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Kasi
Triggers.
kasi kaya ko sinabing I started with the proverbs.
Mhm.
You will realize the importance of those proverbs that I mentioned, and you will also realize the importance of or the what is the philosophy why I said it's not after all that bad. See,
Okay,
Alright.
totoo.
so all of this collectively, they also contribute to the framework of the concept of pride, which we call maratabat.
Mm.
Maratabat, remove it from ridu, does not exist.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
Alright, so it's not my monopoly. It's not the Maranao's monopoly because the term is also malatabat in Cotabato or the Maguindanao, and I think it's also martahabat in Tausug.
Mhm.
So it's the same concept.
Meron din sila.
Kumaga, it's not mute, kumaga, it's not monopolized by Maranao, but I think every culture.
Every
Has
culture
it.
merong marata.
Yeah.
Kasi when we try to transcribe it into English, maratabat actually means pride.
There's a lot.
Or-
Yeah.
or
Others
oo.
define it as amor proprio,
Oo.
but it's deeper than that.
Ako, I describe it as honor.
Honor.
Yeah.
All right. So how do all these things go with Ridu? I mean, how do we weave
Mhm.
all of these concepts? All right. There is Ridu because, okay, going back to your question also, kasi kailangan connected ito lahat eh.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
All right. What causes Ridu? No?
Mm.
Number one, for example, yung upfront lang, na-insulto mo ko.
Mm,
You
mm.
see? Now, because you have insulted me, for example, in
Mm.
public, you have downgraded my family.
Mm.
It's not just me because I belong to a family.
Yes.
And this family has its own genealogy.
Mm.
And so because of that genealogy, it also included my uncles, my aunts.
Mm.
It's not only me that you have insulted in public. You have insulted the family.
Mm.
You see? So, yung ganun lang na mga affront na mga insulto,
Yes.
they are the smallest cause of rebellion.
Smallest cost, yes.
Alright. Historically, ano bang meron tayo noon? Okay, land disputes.
Mm.
For example, boundaries ng ownership, no? Ng lote. Pwedeng pag-awayan yan. Yan yung mga causes
Kahit
noon.
magkapatid nga.
Magkapatid.
Kapatid.
The other one are ownership or inheritance.
Mm.
So, hindi lang yung boundaries, pati yung inheritance. Kasi,
Mm.
hindi naman lahat ng siblings maayos ang pagsasama,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Envy, jealousy is always coming in as the
One of the biggest root cause.
because that is we believe that that is a Satan cloaked
Yes.
in
yes.
another form. You see? All right. So
I like that.
Satan's
Satan cloak in another form.
envy, jealousy.
Envy, jealousy.
Yeah. Because we believe as Muslims that this is the agreement that the devil or Satan asked
Mm.
from Allah.
Yes.
That I will give me this opportunity that I will destroy your creations.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's why we are aware. Allah also made us aware that Satan works 24/7.
Wala siyang pagod, maano siya.
Wala siyang pagod,
Wala.
wala siyang pahinga.
Wala siyang pahinga. Tularan niyo siya in a good way.
And the stronger your faith is, the stronger he
Yeah.
becomes.
Yes.
Because he works where faith is strong.
Yes,
True.
grabe.
So, all right. Any other, where was I now?
Oh,
Yung tawag dito yung common kwan ng
Yun na yun kasi.
Yun, yung
Jealousy.
affront, no? Yung mga
Affront, jealousy.
pag-insulto. They may be intentional or unintentional.
Yes.
Alright? In the pre-colonial era natin, meron na yung mga ganyan. Yun nga, land disputes.
Yes.
Okay, in the post-Philippine independence, what happened? Anong nagbago? Anong nadagdag? Okay, if we had redo in the past, they were, very clear kung anong cause. Affront, insult, or land dispute. But post-Philippine independence, what was introduced? That added and it even outnumbered the number of redo that would be made or created. Politics.
Yes. Power.
Power.
Greed.
Because
Greed.
before the independence of the Philippines, we didn't have officials.
Yes.
And so when we started to elect our local officials, even the Americans, they found it difficult to intervene because
Grabe.
it also was overlapping with our resistance movements
Exactly.
against the
That's true.
Spaniards in the Spanish era and also during the American time. So may redo dyan, mayroon ding resistance movement against the colonizers. So they
BC.
overlapped.
Ganun ka tapang yung mga kanunuan natin.
Oo.
Meron na ngang internal, may
Meron pang
external conflict pa.
Exactly.
Hindi magsa-stop yung internal
Totoo,
conflict para lang sa
totoo.
external.
Totoo.
Ganon kabigat sa kanila
Totoo.
yung
But we were
honor.
united against external forces.
Yun.
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Kumaga parang hindi magsa-stop yung for example, redo tayo ngayon.
Magrido tayo.
Magredo. And then something happens, hindi stop, pause.
Pause muna.
Pause. Yeah,
Labanan muna natin tong mga
That's right.
intruders na
Totoo.
ito. Balikan kita
And
later.
I think Doc, yun yung laging sinasabi na, bakit itong mga Maranao na ito, magkakagulo sila sa Marawi. Pero pag inaway mo sila sa Cagayan,
Bigla sa
magkakampihan yan.
United. Oo.
Magkakampihan yan. O kahit nasa Manila.
Wherever
Diba?
they are on this planet.
Totoo.
They may be enemies, family
Totoo.
enemies back home,
Back home.
not outside
True.
Oo.
Katulad
Totoo yan.
Katulad nung nangyari, there was one time I was in, kasi ang dami kong kamag-anak from Puno Marantaw. Shout out sa mga taga Puno Marantaw na nasa Divisoria. So many of them are selling and vendors
Yes.
doing business in Divisoria, 168999. So I was visiting one of my cousins there, and then biglang nagkagulo sa labas. Ang naging cause nun is may isang Maranao na kumbaga na parang lialong, tag dito, tinarantado. Lumaki lang kasi anamya nga bang may reinforcement na dumating. And ironically, the reinforcement that arrived was their redo back in Lanao.
Back in Lanao. Yes.
Narinig niya na,
Maranao yung inaano.
yung binugbog na Maranao. Without even asking who.
Oo, ganun. That's
So good.
so good. Oo. That's very normal for
Oo.
us.
And then
Oo.
malalaman na lang nila doon na magka-redo pala sila. But still, pause.
Pause muna kasi
Oo. Yun yung parang sinasabi na kami lang ang pwedeng
Totoo
sarili
yan.
namin.
Oo. Magpapatayan kami po.
Oo,
Wag
pero
nyo
wag
kami
kang makialam.
Wag kang
Oo.
makialam.
Kumaga pa sa magkapatid, pag yung magkapatid nag-away, sasabihin nung isa, di upaw. Pero pag yung nakapitbahay ang magsabi ng, hindi ka kasali.
Oo, ganon.
Hindi ka kasali. Oo.
Ganon siya. Ang galing, no?
Totoo.
Meron talaga tayong dynamics.
May dynamics. Now, Doc, moving forward, so those are, kumbaga parang, we started with little things like owners, for first, boundaries, like sa lupa.
Oo.
So, actually, until now, Doc, lupa.
Isa yun sa
Yes.
continuous,
Until Oo. Na makakarinig ka na lang na biglang Armalite. Bakit? Lupa.
Lupa,
Oo.
oo.
I'll give you my personal experience about this one.
Mm-mm.
What happened to Marawi, our ancestral home, Damay din, remember?
Mm-mm.
Alright. Kasi Damay siya, there was a move from the local government na i-demolish.
Mm.
You heard about this one. Kaya maraming dinimolish.
Yes, oo.
Kami, our house, we did not agree for demolition.
Mm-mm.
Why? For the simple reason na, kasi yung sa amin is solid cemento yan, the walls of our house.
Mm-mm.
Or the boundaries also, the property line. Ang sabi namin, hindi namin ipapademolish yan because once that becomes invisible, there is not going to be a conflict.
Mm.
Because the house on the left will say, hindi, hanggang dito yung amin.
Yes.
Yung sa kabila rin, siguro ganun din.
Mm-mm.
But I'm not saying that dadagdagan nila yung sa kanila. But whatever it is, sila ang mababawasan, kami mababawasan. What is most important is, nandyan yan, no conflict.
Mm-mm.
You see, so that's the point. In-avoid namin yun.
Mm-mm.
Now, so yun nga, 'di ba? So
Continuous.
So nagkaroon ng kumbaga dati because of kumbaga which is existing until now, land ownership,
Dispute.
inheritance,
Yeah.
magkakapatid na we even this is I won't mention family names na ha, but there was this school in Marawi City na halos sinara na lang.
Yeah.
At hindi na pakinabangan kasi yung
Kasi may
magkakapatid
ano,
na hindi. Until sa namatay na yung magkakapatid. Na
Oh
yung
my.
mga anak na nila, na syempre, hindi na ayos nung magkakapatid. Sila pa kayang magpo-first
Dumami pa.
cousin.
Mas dumami pa.
So, mas
sayang
dumami
yung
pa yun.
lupa, pwedeng
Oo, di ba?
pwedeng patayuan ng pickleball.
Totoo.
Court.
Court. So, ngayon,
De,
and then,
joke lang ha.
tawag
Pinapalight
dito,
lang natin.
and then, yung sinabi ni Doc Potre na,
Mm-mm.
here comes politics.
Oo.
Now, which is now, I think, it's one of the most rampant.
If we are to like a percentage natin yung causes ng redo in
Ngayon,
this I
in
think
modern
probably
day.
yeah,
Greatest number.
greatest
because
number
of
would be
politics.
politics because of
Na-
power.
And I just want to share this
Mm-mm.
story, Doc, no? We were high school back then. If I'm not mistaken, year 2007 to 2008,
Mm-mm.
there was this one barangay
Mm-mm.
in Marawi City na magkapatid yung naglaban for
Chair.
barangay chairman.
Mm.
So what happened, yung incumbent
Mm-mm.
na, kasi usually, di ba ganun, laging sinasabi ng Maranao,
matagal na to,
matagal na,
to, oo.
2008, di ba? Parang laging sinasabi, in Maranao, kami makauntod.
Kami yung nakaupo.
Na suwat ang amin yun.
Mm-mm.
Kami yung nakaupo, tatanggalin nyo kami. Yun lagi yung pride. Bakit mo pa kami kakalabanin?
Mm.
So, na-pridean yung mga anak nung sitting incumbent.
Mm-mm.
Yung isa sa mga anak nung incumbent, binaril yung uncle. Yung kumalaban sa tatay.
Do you recognize the element there that we are talking about? It's
The-
genealogy.
Genealogy
Oo.
talaga.
And then, ang nangyari naman, auntie, di syempre, gumanti din yung family nung
Syempre,
nung
oo.
kabila.
Mm-mm.
Initsahan ng granada yung bahay mismo.
Mm-mm.
Ang hindi lang yung
Granada
incumbent,
talaga?
Granada. Hindi lang yung incumbent ang namatay, pati yung bunso niyang anak.
Ay, do.
Hanggat sa hindi ko lang alam kung may natitira pa ba sa kanila ngayon o na-stop na.
Mm.
So, you see, di ba, auntie, parang
Ubusan ng lahi.
and we are talking of barangay.
Barangay
We haven't yet
level.
moved to a city level
Oo.
or municipality level.
The
Yes.
smallest unit of the government.
Oo.
Di ba? Na supposedly, it should bring people closer.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung purpose ng barangay.
Mm.
But in reality, so I think, auntie, no, parang 80%,
Mm-mm.
no, na hindi matanggap ng isa't isa. And I think another one, the most famous of them all,
Mm.
that caused a history to be made, a very dark history to be made, the massacre of the media, no?
Yung sa...
Let's not mention name again.
Oo.
No, in this specific province where media men were massacred,
Mm-mm.
all just because of redo,
Politics.
because of politics. 'Di ba? Na hindi matanggap ng sitting, nakakalabanin siya ng kamag-anak niya.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
'Di ba? And it happens everywhere. Now, question ko, Doc.
May I
Go ahead.
something kasi
Go ahead.
makakalimutan ko eh.
Go.
I mentioned about quasi earlier, remember?
Unsay kwasay?
One of the
Quasi.
it's your assignment. One of the consequences of redo with politics coming now into the picture, no, after the post Philippine independence era, sinasabi natin ngayon, is the transformation of families to becoming quasi-political currency. What do I mean by this? Quasi is partly, political is politics, and currency it's something else that can be used for trading, but not money, not necessarily money. So what happens? pag may rido, nagkakaalyado kasi di ba, pinsan mo, pinsan kita. But when a rido comes, I have to make a decision. Saan ba ako? Dito ba?
True.
Di ba?
Minsan na naiipit na yung mga
Naiipit,
kamag-anak.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So, because of rido, kung mas marami akong utang na loob sa kanya,
Totoo.
doon ako makikipag-alyado sa kanya.
Mm.
So what happens? This is the formation of the quasi-political
Totoo.
currency.
Totoo.
Mm.
So, nagpupolitika siya, nagpupolitika ka rin. Pero ikaw, snub ka, dito na lang ako.
Totoo.
So this is one of the, nag-aaway tayo dahil sa rido. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, kahit pareho kayong pinsan ko.
Totoo. And it's happening until now.
Mm.
Na, for example, in one specific barangay, nagkalaban magpinsan.
Mm.
Oh. Tapos, ipit yung ibang first cousins.
Lagi yan
Diba?
actually kasi
Saan
magkakamag-anak tayo
saan sila, saan sila kakampi?
Mm-mm.
Oh, so
Yeah.
makakarinig ka na, like for example, pinuntahan mo yung isa.
Bulong-bulong sila.
Sinong
Sinong iboboto mo?
sa Maranao, antayong butuan na ka.
Oo.
Sinong ibubuto mo?
Mm-mm.
Sabi niya na, for example, tayong dalawa,
Oo.
si Ana at si Hakim, si ako kay Ana.
Kasi,
Namimigay kasi si Ana ng 10,000.
Hakim na maligot.
Kudila, ino ka kay Ana?
Di pangbina.
Ino ka kay Ana?
True.
Mga di ka to, hindi mo ba maalala na nung na-hospital yung anak ko na ang
Mga
nagasto sa
ganon.
ospital? Na ganito, ganyan. Na, sasabihin naman ng isang kamag-anak, ino ka di pagitong? Bakit ka nagbibilang?
No.
Nagbilang ako ka, pinuntahan ako dito ni Ana, na ni-remind niya ako na hindi mo ba naalala na nung na-hospital yung anak mo na ako ang nagpa-hospital.
Oo.
Yung ganun yung nagiging paramihan ng pabor.
Mm.
This is what they all fall
Kasi-
under quasi-political currency.
Mm.
It falls dun sa sinasabi mo kanina, Auntie, na number one, yung kapamagawid,
Yeah.
na mutually carrying a burden.
Mm-mm.
Na dahil na-hospital yung isa,
Oo.
parang it falls to the responsibility of many to help.
Yeah.
Yung sinasabi, siguro Auntie, yung last mo siguro yung katutabang nga.
Yeah.
Oh, yun yung
Katutabang
number
nga.
5 mo.
Mm-mm.
Katutabang nga.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang equivalent ng apat na yun, it falls to katutabang nga. Na pag may na-hospital, parang, di ba, actually, it becomes a responsibility to the family.
Everyone, parang nadidivide talaga
Especially
yan.
pag sinabi natin na miyakabangon sa walay. What do you
Mm-mm.
mean by miyakabangon sa walay? It's a term which means nakapag-asawa na.
Oo.
Nagkaroon na ng pamilya.
Bumukod ka na.
Nakabukod na. Kasi po, sa Maranao culture, correct me, Auntie, if I'm wrong, you're the anthropologist in this group.
Mm-mm.
And I don't know also if it is present with other tribes. Again, kagaya na sinabi ni Auntie, we're Maranao. That's why we can speak
Yes, yes.
in behalf of our group. Sa atin sa Maranao, yung responsibility nagsisimula not of edad, not of wealth,
Yes.
but of marriage.
Oo.
Na yung responsibility starts when you are married.
Oo.
Kasi-
Oo, ganun sa
Oo.
amin. Oh, kahit na ngayon na let's say medyo independent na kami ni
Oo.
Hakim and
hindi
all.
hindi kami
We are not counted.
We are not
Usual-
counted.
optional kung
Oo.
kunwari magbibigay ng
Yes.
tulong sa hospital bills,
Yes.
sa pag
Oo.
ng rido magme-marriage.
Totoo.
Hindi kami required
Obligated.
o
Oo.
not obligated na
Pero
magbigay ng help.
ah.
Pero mas okay kung magbigay ka, of course.
Siguro
Oo.
sa nakaraang mga episode namin ni Ana, na-gets nyo na ilang taon na kami anong batch namin.
Oo.
We have younger cousins,
Trentahin po talaga kami.
We have younger cousins who already had family na sila pa yung mas obligado kaysa sa amin.
Oo, tama.
Diba?
Oo.
So, I think doon nagfo-fall yung pag nagkaroon ng rido between two clans or two
Mm-mm.
siblings or two cousins,
Mm-mm.
laging ang naiipit is kamag-anak.
Kamag all the
That is why
time.
I am particularly using the word quasi-political currency.
Kumaga parang yun yung nagiging, nagets ko na yung meaning ng quasi-political
Ano yung
currency.
quasi? Ano yung quasi?
Which yung sinabi niya,
Sorry.
partly political currency.
Yes, exactly.
Kumaga parang nangyayaring norm.
Quasi is parang ganito pero not fully.
Not full.
Oo.
Parang kunwari, government yung isang government company pero quasi company yung let's say
Partly
waters,
government, partly
Yes.
private. Parang
partly
gano'n.
private
Pero
like yung
basically,
water.
parang siyang kumaga, parang nagiging na siyang norm.
Kasi kaya nga nilagyan natin ng currency kasi yung 'di ba sa politika it's all about spending also
Totoo.
In fact, to be truthful about it, and let's not tell a lie, vote buying is prevalent. Alright?
Exactly.
Kahit
Mm.
hindi ka rin mag-vote buying, but for you to, you want to gather people, you have to spend a lot.
Yes,
So,
daming reunion pag malapit
Totoo.
na yung
if you
politics.
have your good
Ay,
alliances with
mm.
your clan, you don't spend so much.
Yes.
So, yung pera mo, hindi yun ang ginagastos mo. It is that alliances with them
That's true.
yeah.
that spend for this
And
alliances.
Quasi.
until we have, kumaga, whether we like it or not,
Mm.
we have to admit the reality na pag wala kang pera, kulang ka sa kamag-anak. Pero
Sadly.
pag may pera ka, hindi matapos ang kamag-anak mo.
Oo.
Kahit na yung 6th cousin, 7th cousin,
7 degree, yeah.
andyan
What do you think is the reason
na
konti lang yung konti lang yung, kasi lagi yung sinasabi na kapag hindi ka mayaman, konti lang yung kamag-anak mo. What do you think is the reason? Bakit konti lang yung pumupunta
sige,
sa'yo
simulan
na
ko muna sa sarili ko kasi
Mm.
later on, Auntie Ken, kumaga, she's the
Yes.
expert and she
Meron
can
din kasi
help
ako
us.
reason
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi I think one of the reason bakit, kumbaga, it all boils down to pera,
Mm-mm.
papasok pa rin doon yung 5K.
Mm.
Kasi,
True, exactly.
paano ka makikipagtulungan kung wala kang pera?
Mm.
'Di ba? Yung everything boils down to money kasi the more you give,
Oo.
'di ba? The more, 'di ba yung sinabi ko kanina na sinong pinili doon sa dalawa?
Mm-mm.
Kung sino yung mas maraming
The
naitulong.
more you have, mas maluwag ka.
Mas
maluwag
marami
Yes.
kang
Yes,
natutulungan.
And whether, alam mo kasi, like tayong Maranao, we have to admit, we Maranaos, I can definitely say, we are not ligto. We are not madamot.
Di kami madamot.
Kaya-
Definitely.
Pag din ang Maranao, nakaakyat na sa pedestal at nagkaroon ng pera,
Yes.
mararamdaman din yan lahat ng...
Oo, Maranao.
kamag-anak
Kamag-anak,
niya.
the entire tribe.
Diba?
Oo.
Na I have this uncle,
Mm-mm.
long lost uncle. Oo. Shout out to Boss Aref. I have this long lost uncle na for a very long time we haven't heard of him.
Mm-mm.
And then one time, gulat na lang, yung buong pamilya niya, pinagmanila niya. Pinag-Shangri-La ng isang linggo.
Mm-mm.
Pinag-shopping ganyan. Kasi gusto niyang iparamdam sa yung sinabi na, umandar yung pagkamaranaw niya. 'Di ba? Kaya I think it boils down talaga with money. Good thing and bad thing.
It's a good thing and bad thing.
Oo. Kasi sabi nga nila na kung nasan yung sa Maranao na ano sugulan, nanuduso pila.
Mm.
Kung nasang may asukal, andun yung langgam.
It's something that you can't really say na nagiging pangit yung ugali ng isang tao dahil kasi yun talaga din yung reason talaga na meron kang nakukuha sa tao na may pera. It's not being parang napakamukhang pera ang dating.
Hindi naman sa mukhang pera.
Oo, hindi sa
It's not about mukhang pera.
Alam mo na kunwari kaalungkaw na ginawang ka
Oo.
in terms of
Exactly.
most of the problems
What do you mean
kasi
kung ka na ginawang ka, makikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya.
yes, may kita mo, mahanap mo siya. Pwede mo
Oo.
siyang takbuhan. And kasi most of the problems is money. Yeah, they boil down. Aminin na po natin.
Aminin
Na
natin.
it always
Oo.
boils down to the money.
Oo.
But meron ding mga problem na kahit na hindi mahirap, kahit na mahirap yung tao, di ka kugupan ka sa kanyan or natutulungan mo siya kasi hindi about money na naman yung usapan. So, doon na rin pumapasok yung walang money na nagtutulungan sila. It just so happen na kaya mo nasasabi na mas marami kang kamag-anak kapag may marami kang pera. Kasi majority of the problem is, unfortunately again, money.
Kasi bigyan kita ng example.
Mm-mm.
Meron din naman, okay, admittedly, in general, we are
Oo.
maluwag. Pero makakahanap ka pa rin ng kuripot.
Stingy.
Tingnan mo, kahit gaano kaya man, walang tao sa bahay nila.
Ganon. Merong ganon.
Kasi, kumaga, oo.
Yes. Mm-mm.
Kasi kami din pong Maranao, marunong kaming tumanaw ng utang na loob.
Definitely.
Yung,
Pride yan
yung mayamang taong yan,
Mm-mm.
kaya marami din kamag-anak na nandyan, not because lahat naghihingi yan, lahat
Oo.
kasi nabigyan na.
Oo.
So marunong silang tumanaw ng utang na loob. Nandun sila kasi, we're here to help. Anong pwede naming itulong?
Mm-mm.
Oo, anong pwede
Mm-mm.
naming gawin? Pag may event ka, kami bahala. Pag may
Kahit yung
ganito ka.
presence lang, nandun na. It's a
Yes,
big
oo.
factor.
Kasi, mayroon din akong kilalang mga mayayaman na ang lalaki ng mga bahay nila,
Walang tao.
walang tao.
'Di ba? Nila lang
Oo.
walang bumibisita.
Ultimo kapatid na hindi pumupunta sa kanya. Kasi
tama. Yes.
Kasi marangit din naligtopan.
Ah.
Masungit na nga,
Maano, stingy pa.
stingy pa sa pera. Pero yung iba kasi, pinagsama mo na yung malulaw. Do you mean malulaw anti in Tagalog? Parang,
Malulaw.
Well,
Hospitable, oo.
tapos, galante pa. Ay talagang,
Parang
hindi
you
ka
feel
mawawalan
at home.
ng, hindi ka mawawalan
oo.
ng tao, di ba?
Yes, oo.
May iba nga na, hindi sila ganun kalaki ang pera, pero mahilig magluto. Di ba? Mahilig
mga
magpakain.
ganon. Oo.
Kita mo, laging nandyan yung mga kamag-anak niya, laging nagpapakain.
Laging nagpapakain.
Kahit na spaghetti lang every week o
Oo.
kaya with
Kahit na ano lang
Oo.
biko.
yeah. No, I can proudly say this to my mom and dad. You know, my mom, she may not became a millionaire in her lifetime. Pasurganulutan lang.
Amin.
But she loves to cook.
Oh.
And every hapon, mga tao sa bahay.
Kasi
Kasi
alam nilang
nagluluto.
makakain.
Yes.
Oo.
Yung paghapon na, kasi my mom's nickname is Jinke. So, yung sa Maranao term, yung paglalambing, yung term of endearment nila na Je. Pag marinig mo na lagi pagdating ng alas 4, may marinig ka sa baba na Je. Kasi alam nila may niluluto si mama.
Ang galing.
Diba? So,
Oo.
yung form din of being generous is
yung sharing.
Oo.
Sharing, oo.
Totoo.
Hindi complete yung happiness kapag hindi mo na share kung anong meron ka.
Kasi ako, syempre, I'm much older than you guys. So,
Hindi naman.
Yeah. Sabagay, kung minsan, I'm the youngest. So, no problem. Like, in my
Bayo ang
family,
tipo
no,
ko, no?
my maternal grandmother, luto ng, di ba, nung sa panahon nila, luto sila until my mother's generation, ng dudul. Yang laki-laki ng kawa, yung ating nilulutuan. Sabi ko, I was a young kid. Bakit kaya lagi na lang ganyan? Lagi na lang, di ba, niluluto yan, inaabot pa na madaling araw.
Oo.
Ganun kasarap yung niluluto sa anong una. Ngayon, ilalagay nila dun sa, yung nirarapan nila na, yung,
Banana?
hindi, yung maputi, nilalagyan ng dudul talaga.
Oh,
diba?
Ay, oo, yung ano, parang ano.
parang para ma-form.
Oo.
Tapos, ang dami-daming ganon. Sabi ko, bakit ang dami-daming niluluto? Then, I will hear when Rufino de los Santos was the director of DC. Meron para sa kanya. And meron din si Bapa Batua Macaraya. He was also with DC. And then, yung principal, basta kung sino yung principal that time, meron din.
Diba?
Tapos yung mga ibang non-Muslim constituents na taga-pilot na school, sila Mrs. Pinto, yung mga sa Moncado Colony, sila engineer, even the local government. Ang daming friends ng family na non-Muslims na talagang para sa kanila yun.
Para sa kanila yun. See guys, ganito yung
Beneath
mga...
his family brothers also.
Oh, ganito, isipin nyo man, may taong ganyan na super generous, tinutulungan ka, tapos biglang may bumastos sa kanya,
Yun.
or may pumatay sa kanya.
Exactly
Ano
what
sa
I'm
tingin
about
nyo
to say.
yung mafe-feel naming mga Maranao? Sa tingin nyo ba, tatahimik yung
Yes.
mga ano? Lalo na yung grabe yung weight ng maratabat sa kanila or honor, dyan napapasok yung unfortunately, Ridu.
True. Yung nga yung parang, you have also to understand na yun nga, the more yung tao na nakakatulong, the more din ipaglalaban siya ng mga kamag-anak niya. Yung mga tao din na hindi mawala sa bahay nila, once din na narinig nilang may gulo ka,
They're willing.
Oo.
willing. Oo. Kaya nga parang sabi nila, bakit sila nawala na sa Rido? No, this is the foundation.
Eto yung mga nagtitrigger. Iba kasi yung bigat sa amin.
Totoo.
The way na pahalagahan
Tao.
namin yun.
That is why, Kim, I started by saying silence in the face of dishonor is shame.
It's
Totoo.
a shame.
Totoo.
Shame.
Yung wala
Shame.
kang ginawa sa dishonor ng family mo.
Oo.
Oo. Kumaga sa amin, when it comes to...
O hindi kami nagpo-promote ng Rido Tapusin
No, no,
nyo
no,
tong
no, no.
podcast. Tapusin
Oo.
nyo tong podcast.
No,
Darating
it's-
tayo dyan.
Kasi, yung nga sinabi ni Auntie na,
Oo.
Rido is not all that bad.
Yes, oo.
Oo.
Tapusin nyo to.
Oo.
Pupunta tayo dyan.
Kasi, because of Rido also, I think, is one of the reason din na bakit ka irerespeto.
Yes.
In Maranao, banganan to, ura ka, hindi nga di kila mga tunganin niya no to. Wag mo yung galawin, hindi mo nakikita yung mga kamag-anak niya. And why? Bakit ganun yung tindig? Bakit ganun yung paninindigan sa kanya ng pamilya niya? Kasi ganun din yung paninindigan niya sa pamilya niya.
Oo.
Okay, the word also tied up with Rido is the preservation, protection of dignity.
Dignity. Preservation of
Preservation
dignity.
and protection
of
of
dignity.
dignity.
Dignity. See?
Oo.
So, bakit sinabi kong hindi siya masama? Okay. How do we go about resolving, no?
Hmm.
So, dalawang bagay yan. Meron tayong restorative justice.
Mhm.
Ibig sabihin yung mga pamamaraan na tahimik, nakaka-resolve, peace-building approaches that are non-violent. The other one is retributive. Yung sabi nila na an eye for an eye, and a tooth for a tooth. Meron din mga ganun. So, tignan
Yes,
na
yes.
halimbawa, may pinutulan ng kamay, puputulan din siya ng kamay.
Oo. Parang
That's
ganon.
retributive. Okay.
Okay.
But, the beautiful thing about the Maranao, when it comes to the discussion on Rido, is not retributive. Kaya sinabi kong hindi masama. Because again, the end goal is to protect and maintain that dignity. So when a Rido occurs, kailangan alam natin yung pamamaraan. Okay? Number one is, may mediator talaga. And who is the mediator? Genealogy comes again. Siyempre,
Pumapasok ulit yung genealogy.
pumapasok yung genealogy. Number one yun. Kasi ako, pareho kayo sa akin, siguro, pakikinggan mo ako, pakikinggan mo rin ako.
Tama.
So, I am in the best position to become the mediator.
So parang maghahanap ng common ground.
Common
Or someone that both parties respect.
respect and
Oo.
honor and
Yes.
listen to. Okay?
Someone na
So-
di nga mapakaito'y gira.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
okay.
What
So,
sinabi ni Ana, yung hindi mo kayang maliitin.
Yes.
so, anong gagawin ko? Okay, kakausapin ko sila to the extent na, kasi sa Islam, pwede kang magsinungaling para lang sa ikaka-resolve ng isang dispute.
White lies.
White lies, okay?
Oh.
Yeah. So, yun, pwede yun. So, through a mediation. So, sino pang mga mediators na iba? Our ulama.
Ulama.
Ulama groups, no? They can,
Kasi we respect our
because
ulamas.
we
Yes.
believe them and we take their word as
Yes.
as the spiritual leaders.
Tama.
So, pangalawa, sa panahon ngayon, pwede na rin, yung ating mga sultanate. Because these are, yun nga, before politics came to our community,
We are already,
societies,
may existing na ano.
we recognize our traditional leaders.
Yes.
And so these are the sultans, the
Datos.
bayalabi, the datos, and because nobody can assume these royal titles if they do not belong to the genealogical lineage na kung saan po pwede sila. Therefore, they also command respect.
Tama.
So, pwedeng sila ang mediators. Alright, what was new? Ito nga, from the post-independence era, pumasok yung politika. Then, nagkakaroon din ng clothing of respect and honor si mayor,
Tama. Oo.
si governor,
Mm-mm.
si congressman, si senador, pwede silang
maging
mag-mediate.
mediator.
And, yeah, so ganon. This is how it is now done. But otherwise, it is always among relatives. Because who else will carry the burden kundi relatives? And so, that's the first one. Okay. How long does a Rido last? Okay, mayroong nagka-insultuhan kanina, nalaman natin agad, and because we know the negative consequence of unattended to, pag hindi
Yes,
yan napabayaan, then a petty affront, can escalate to a big Rido. Kasi, ibig sabihin, hindi nila pinansin yun, ha?
Oo.
Kahit gano'n ang gano'n.
Mas lalaki yung ano mo,
mas
pride
lalaki
mo.
Yung correct. So, a redo can be resolved within a day.
Yes, tama
can
po.
be
Pwede,
resolved,
24 hours.
It can be
So-
resolved within a day or it can be resolved within a year.
Decades.
Nobody knows.
No, it
Decades,
depends. Alright.
yes.
So, ganun po katagal. The unfortunate thing about redo are those that are recurring and they become intergenerational.
Minamana.
Minamana.
Yun din yung parang yun nga auntie no, parang the bad side of our yung 5 case na sinabi mo na mamanahin din ng anak mo yung pride mo.
May pamana, may lalo na.
Yung kalaban ni Abi, yung kalaban ni Ama,
Right.
nakalaban ko din.
Tama.
And that is why one of the cultural approaches of our people is through intermarriage.
One way of solving.
One way of
is
solving.
intermarriage.
Oo.
Paano yon naging, like, for example,
Halimbawa, kayo parties na kayo ang
kunwari,
Enemies.
magkalaban
Oo.
tayo sa politics.
Yung mga anak ninyo,
natin.
Mm-mm.
And I think auntie, that is also something that the Maranao cannot take or we Maranao can monopolize because it has been a tradition
yes.
even during the medieval age.
Oo.
The kings and queens,
Oo.
you know, na they end wars with
By
marriages.
marrying other
Oo.
kids to
Yes.
their
Oo.
enemy. Imagine, pinapakasal mo yung anak mo sa kalaban mo.
True.
Gawan na naman natin yan ng movie.
Kasi parang yun yung mag-i-end nung,
Oo.
'di ba?
Kasi parang magiging anak ng kalaban mo yung
True. Na
yung anak mo.
one of the
May magkakaapo pa yan.
again, hindi tayo mag-mention ng
Mm.
names. You know, 2 warring clans during martial law.
Mm.
'Di ba? The 2 biggest armies, private armies in Mindanao.
Yes.
Mindanao has ever known. And then to end after martial law,
Wedding.
para ma-end yung gera nila, and they became one of the greatest love story of all time. Gusto ko
Mashallah.
silang maging guest.
Pwede. Nag-i-exist yun sa amin. That's one way of resolving, 'di ba? O 'di ba akala nyo puro patayan, may kilig factor pala ang redo.
Totoo.
Oo, tapos pangalawa na pag-solve ng redo is yung yung sinabi nyo po kanina na pwede talagang pag-usapan sa law. Ngayon ba? Pwede na ba?
Yeah.
In this like sa generation ngayon, do we recognize the Philippine law? Like kunwari kung napakulong yung namatay, is there a peace when for us the injustice is incomplete?
Kumaga parang yung batas ng Pilipinas, the justice system
Okay na ba
of
sa
the
atin ngayon
Philippines,
in this
is that
generation?
enough for us to achieve justice?
Hindi ba yun incomplete sa atin? Meron
Oo.
bang peace when we feel like the justice is incomplete?
Mm-mm.
Taray. 'Di ba? Parang hindi mo
Okay.
parang pangit,
This
hindi mo
our
napatay yung
own local disputes.
Which is may ganun talaga.
Oo.
Yung we have to admit guys na yung sinabi ni Ana might be harsh, but for other families, death for them is the only solution.
Oo,
And
tama.
to end this agony, and for me to feel justice, and for me to realize that justice has been
Complete.
served, I need death, I need blood. Oo.
Ganon. Sa generation ba natin ngayon?
Now, do you think, Auntie, that
lahat tayo.
that-
Sige,
that-
oo.
that this generation, kasi we have to admit that
Oo.
Gen Z and Gen Alpha is different from us millennials.
Yes, magkaiba.
They're defiant.
Mm-mm.
They have their own meaning of their own justice.
Mm-mm.
So,
Meron din sila mga
mm-mm.
So
have you
what is the exact
question.
question?